Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the jersey's fabric and getting tools ready because heat and pressure behave differently on polyester versus cotton. Apply cardboard inside the shirt, then heat the number evenly with a heat gun or hot iron. This softens the adhesive and releases stitches or edges. Once the vinyl feels pliable and slightly glossy, use a thin scraper at a low angle to lift an edge. You must move quickly but controlled to avoid fabric distortion. You continue by peeling the warmed number slowly at a 45 degrees angle, pulling tension to separate adhesive from fibers. If it resists, reheat that small area rather than forcing it. Once most material is off, apply isopropyl alcohol or a textile-safe adhesive remover to a cloth and dab to dissolve remaining sticky residue. This breaks the glue bond without harsh scrubbing. Make sure to ventilate the area and test solvent on a hidden seam first. You finish by washing the jersey gently or spot cleaning to remove solvent and loose particles. Then press the area inside out using a cloth to protect fibers and restore the surface texture. Make sure the fabric is fully dry before storing. This preserves shape and prevents shrinkage. If you still see ghosting or adhesive stains, try one more controlled cycle of heat and solvent, or seek a professional sports tailor to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.